What's up, everybody? Steven here from Hidden Room, and we are doing a Money in the Bank ladder match. I am Cesaro. That is not Cesaro. I am Cesaro.
The following six-man contest is a ladder match. Making his way to the ring.
Let me go ahead and skip the entrances here. I love Tyson Kidd. Again, like I said, I am Cesaro. I don't know when I come out. How do you like Cesaro or Dolph Ziggler's attire? I did that ish.
I can't think of a time I've seen the WWE Universe this pumped up. What a match we're seeing.
This is a part of the WWE Universe mode. I guess I'm one of the rare people that doesn't give a shit about that mode, because I hate it and I don't care for it. I don't understand it either. I wish they would just do like the old mode where you can just pick a current superstar on the roster and just have like a season. That's when it was awesome. Of course, I'm referring to the old PS2 games. Here Comes the Pain was fantastic with that. It was fantastic overall, but that mode specifically was amazing. Kept track of all your stats. It was simple. Chris Jericho's coming down now. Check out this attire. Where do you see this motherfucker's attire? I did not give him the light up jacket because I didn't care for it. Look at that. Ah! Chris Jericho of old right there.
And from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, weighing in at 227 pounds.
There we go. These motherfuckers is booing me. These motherfuckers is booing me. I'm Cesaro. It'd be amazing if I can do the entrance breakout right now. Alright. Dean Ambrose is the last guy in this ladder match to make his entrance. This is the first time I've done a six-man match, aside from an elimination chamber, which you can see that video in the link below in the description. Oh wait, I was hoping that all the other participants would actually be around the ring, or at least in the ring, because that never happens on these games. I saw two people out there. Hey, my name's Michael Cole. I'm stupid. Oh, huh. I can't count to six, apparently. The Miz is the last guy to come out. The Miz. What a fucking fucker.
I can't think of a time.
Alright, showtime. At the Apollo. I'm just gonna get out of here.
It doesn't get any better than this. It's the Money in the Bank ladder match.
Hey, Chris.
The first 11 times the holder of the Money in the Bank contract cashed in, he became champion. Becoming Mr. Money in the Bank is practically a guaranteed round.
Once again, I'm Cesaro. I want people to remember that.
Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
This is actually the first ladder match that I've played on this game. So hopefully it's the same that it's been, because I don't remember how to play these matches.
Inside the ring again.
Yeah, and they should be. This is where the action needs to be. So damaging.
Well, we're on the move here. He's the guy his opponent, and what's he going for here? Jericho's skill set.
My name's Chris Jericho. I used to be amazing, but now I'm, you know, I'm just the guy that gets on a podcast and kills it. It's a good podcast, but, you know, I just kiss everyone's ass on it because I'm Chris Jericho. In your face, bitch!
That'll have you worrying about long-term injuries for sure. The repetition on that move is becoming deliberate at this point.
Oh, he hurt. Uh-oh. Oh, I was going to say, I was frozen there. I couldn't move.
Devastating DDT.
Oh, once you get out of the ring, anything can happen. You've got exposed steel, concrete, the barricades, and all of it can be used
Chris.
to cause massive damage.
Damn it, Chris.
Time and time again. Jericho uses his
You have to be a real son of a bitch to be named Chris. That's all I know.
Then he uses his physical skills to kick the
A particular kind of asshole.
man. Y2J is good. Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation.
I got a ladder. Hey, Chris. Oh, Chris. Chris. Damn it, Chris.
We may have just seen a career come to an end right here in front of us.
No kidding, Cole. This looks bad.
Oh, watch out. After a shot like that, you're going to be walking
Oh.
funny, talking funny.
Oh.
Heck, you'll probably be seeing funny. He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here.
Sorry about your hat, JBL.
Oh, once you get out of the ring, anything can happen. You've got exposed steel, concrete, the barricades, and all of it can be used to cause massive damage.
You know, Michael, if you recall, Dolph Ziggler's WWE debut against Batista was a huge
Oh.
deal. Win, lose, or draw for a superstar to debut on one of the most watched shows on television makes a statement. And that night, Dolph Ziggler made a statement. Clearly on a mission here.
Oh my God. What the hell?
What a shot. If you take many more like that, you're going to resemble a heavy bag. Inside the ring now. Finally, let's get this done inside the ring. He may have to worry about internal injuries.
He's got him.
This is a wreck. He's moving
Damn it,
like a
Tyson.
damn.
Have you forgotten what we had? Have you forgotten who I am?
In 2008, it was clear that he was someone who was going to raise the bar for all WWE superstars. I think the monitor, the show-off, is proof Ziggler has done just that. My God, his body's been through hell, and his
Are they just gonna let him?
the attack.
And I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Oh, they're taking a risk here.
That's how you win matches.
So, can I have a turn?
Introduced by Chris Jericho back in 2005. the Money
No,
in the Bank
I guess I can't have a turn.
Fuck
Fuck me, right?
on the WWE calendar.
One of the
Everyone else had a moment. Why can't I have a moment?
is to take advantage of any
Fuck you,
opportunity they have
Tyson.
to make an impression on the audience. When Dolph Ziggler debuted, you
Hey,
could
Dean.
tell he was
Hey.
going to seize
Hey,
that
Dean.
moment on Monday Night Raw and stand out in a crowded field.
I hate everything about you. Oh, I'm gonna wear jeans in my wrestling matches because I want swamp ass.
Looked like it was completely out of desperation.
I'm gonna fuck Renee Young every night because my name's Dean Ambrose.
Dolph Ziggler is just seething with aggression. And he brings the action back
What the
inside the ring. I think this is good strategy. He's too good inside the ring to be out on the floor for
It
long.
wouldn't be a WWE game without a shit ton of glitches because this game has a lot.
What intensity.
Well, I'm about to show you all my strategy.
Man, that was some miss, all right. I can feel the breeze all the way over here.
It's no surprise that someone the likes of Dean Ambrose would utilize a lethal maneuver like his Dirty Deeds finisher.
Oh, it's awesome.
This right here was my signature move ever since Here Comes the Pain. I'm going to go ahead and put a ladder all the way out here.
Look how slow he is to recover here. That was some serious.
There's no recovering from that. He's in good lord. He's just hell-bent on maiming his opponent. And he brings the action back inside the ring. Yeah, I think this is good.
Where the fuck did that ladder come from? Did that just kind of spawn there?
Not a lot of spring left in his step right now. He wants this battle decided inside the ring.
And that's why he's such a great athlete, such an important superstar. You can't put a price tag on landing that perfect strike. And that nailed him. Look at this. When you go at an opponent like this, it means you're out for blood. The WWE rulebook goes.
Did that ladder really just spawn there?
It's going to get ugly.
They have not taken my strategy. I refuse. Oh my God.
A lot from the looks of it.
My plan.
Got out of the way of that one. Seeing attacks to the back of the head. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him. Keep the action inside the ring. That's where you're going to win this thing.
Avoids the impact there.
He's too good inside the
Why
ring to be out
can
on
I
the
not
floor.
look at Tyson Kidd?
I agree with you, King. A sickening thud as he lands hard.
The toll from this match is really starting to
And The Miz picking up some steam here, showing why he's the most must-see superstar in the WWE. Something that's been overlooked is The Miz can hurt you in so many ways.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
I can't blame him. Keep it in the ring.
And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him. Nothing good is going to happen out here on the floor.
I hate this game.
Uh-oh. Big move coming.
Like this, how is this match even supposed to get finished? It's impossible.
Insane move by Dolph Ziggler.
The Miz with the offense. I'm not sure I can watch this.
That'll have you worrying about long-term injuries for sure. There's
Like,
the brain
Jesus
buster.
Christ.
Might be a concussion here. We'll have to see.
No kidding. He'll be dizzy at least. Oh,
Like,
man.
I have the stamina bar off. I have the reversal. I have the reversal bar off. I got all this shit off. So why is it still a factor?
He wants this battle decided inside the ring.
And that's why he's such a great athlete, such an important superstar.
Getting back into the ring now.
King, you can take a breath.
Man, he's still down after that move.
Please die, Dolph.
The bell got seriously wrong there.
Well, I wasn't supposed to be the one to go over. Mike Mazanin, you faggot.
This is unreal. Boy, he just got laid out.
And now I'm dead. I am dead from that.
What an attack. And I don't have one problem with it. In the WWE, you do what you have to do.
Oh,
Yep, alright, fuck all of you. I quit.
Extra
I'm done.
slow getting back to his base here. I'll be shocked if that's not it. He's inflicting some serious
I am
pain
fucking
here.
stuck in the corner. I can't move. I hate this shit.
how much longer he's going to be able to go.
Dean Ambrose has his eyes on his
All right.
folks.
Yep. That's fair.
Take it from me, there's
That's fine.
never a good place or a good time to
Hit a
get
finisher in mid-punch. That makes sense.
after a major hit. The match goes on.
Few superstars are as dominant as this guy.
And that shot was dialed in.
Let me guess. I'm nowhere near it.
Second time now.
Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got
What the
seriously wrong there.
What devastation
What the fuck just happened?
from that, can you? I don't even want to think about
So-
what the third time will sound like.
So, yeah, that happened. Why that happened, I'll never fucking know.
When someone decides to use a weapon, you can almost guarantee it's not a one-time occurrence. You got to be ready for anything.
Wow, he's still down after that.
Pull it down. Just finish this shit. My God. This is brutal. I know what, I'm never playing again. This match!
Oh, his body has to be broken right now.
Like, come on.
Some very opportunistic offense here.
Ho 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 ho!
He's bringing it back inside the ring now. I can't blame him. Keep it in the ring.
Give me the goddamn ladder, Dean.
Oh, this isn't good. And it's just getting worse. Ow.
Oh, I'm not sure I can watch this.
I'm done.
I like it. Let's get this thing done inside the ring. Good grief.
We're watching someone toying with their opponent. I don't know if the manhandling is going to end anytime soon, but this is almost inhumane.
Why? Why does he keep letting go? I don't understand.
Spring left in his step right now.
Well, that missed him all right.
Hey, did you look before firing? What an idiot.
The old game, you just do what I was doing, and then you just pull down on the analog sticks. Well, clearly he's about to win. If not, shit's rigged. Oh, good, he won. It's over, people. It's over. It's done. We can finally stop watching this crappy-ass video. This glitch-filled fucking piece of shit video. Yay!
Here's your winner, Dean Ambrose.
I'll Dean your Ambrose.
That one could have gone
Incredible match. What an incredible match, Michael Cole says. That just confirms video game Michael Cole pays attention to the match just like real life Michael Cole. He doesn't.
That was an amazing match.
Oh, now it's amazing. Holy fuck, Michael Cole's a piece of shit. Anyway, that video was garbage. It was horrendous. The match was horrendous. There's a few other videos dropping today. Feel free to watch them. They're not WWE video games, so they'll be enjoyable. Oh, and also, be sure to stay tuned to Hidden Room on Tuesday. That's right, Tuesday. You know what drops on Tuesday? I think I'm going to tell you. The Star Wars Battlefront drops on Tuesday. Myself and Hidden Room legend Christopher and Frank Herrera will be also purchasing. We'll be also purchasing the game. You might see some co-op videos. You might see videos from him at least. I might even screw him and make my own videos. I haven't decided because I'm an outlaw. I'm a rebel. I'm a renegade. But just remember to live life by the words that I always tell you to leave. Just fucking live life, bruh. Come on, bruh. You PC, bruh?